everyone. Do you have blocked contact on WhatsApp that you want to remove completely? Don't worry, in this video I will show you the correct way to delete blocked contact on WhatsApp, step by step. Step 1. Open WhatsApp settings. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and select settings. Step 2. Go to the privacy settings. Now tap on privacy. This section controls your block contact on other security settings. Step 3. Open block contact list. Next, tap on block contact. Here you will see a list of the all contacts you have blocked on WhatsApp. Step 4. Unblock the contact. To delete a block contact, you need to unblock it first. Tap on the contact and select unblock. Step 5. Delete the contact from phone's contact. Now open your phone's contact app. Find the same contact and tap delete. Since WhatsApp scan contact from your phone, deleting it here remove it WhatsApp as well. Step 6. Refresh WhatsApp. Close WhatsApp completely and open it again. The contact should now be removed from your WhatsApp list. Optional step. Clear chat if needed. If the chat is still visible, long press the chat and tap delete chat. Important tips. You can't delete a contact while it's blocked. WhatsApp uses your phone contact list to restart your phone if the contact still appears. And that's it. This is how you can easily delete block contact on WhatsApp. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more WhatsApp tips and easy teach fixes.